What is going on, guys? Welcome to TJ Mitchell Films, your one-stop shop for everything Jeep and off-road related content. And in this video, this is part 2 of our Easter Jeep Safari 2021 prep. And as you guys can see behind me, we got the rear bumper off of the Gladiator, and let me show you why. So we're in the process of making a couple of additions to the rear bumper. Now, first off, as you guys are gonna notice on the sides, is I'm adding some tubing here for a little bit of side protection. This guy's gonna end up in here like this. So yeah, just a little bit more side protection. You can never have too much protection. Also, I'm adding these 1-inch thick pull points. Now, the reason I'm adding these is because, yes, the hitch is very strong, but I feel better about these being in line, right in line with the mounts on the frame. So if for some reason we need to use a kinetic strap and get a big run and a pull, I think this is going to be a better bet right here. It's, if you were to do that really hard here, I could see how the tube could possibly want to tweak. I don't think it would break or anything, but so yeah, I just think those are a good idea. And what else? Oh, also, this is like not really EJS related, but since I have this, I'm gonna put the chain hookup, safety chain hookups for the hitch on there. And also, while I'm in here, I'm gonna be adding, I've towed with this before and I'm not worried about it, but I'm just gonna be adding a little gusset back here just to give me a little bit extra peace of mind on the hitch. Pretty much sums it up. Let's get to work. Super quick side note for you guys. Just if you're actually using like your bumper and your rock sliders for, like, you know, sort of what they're designed for, that's why I don't recommend powder coating them, because I'm gonna wire wheel this off and just hit it with a coat of spray paint. Now, if you're not really bashing them against rocks, then powder coat, better option. But for me personally, spray paint, 100% the way to go. At the end of every season, I can come back, grind all this off, and just shoot it with another coat of paint. It's a no-brainer for me. That is gonna do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, part 2 of our EJS 2021 prep. These were some pretty easy upgrades to make, but I'm actually pretty happy with how they turned out. And you never know, as far as the corner protection goes, you never know when you're gonna need it. And like I said, having these 1-inch pull points lined right up with the frame just makes you feel a little bit safer. The next video is going to be another EJS prep video, so you guys will have to stay tuned to see what I do for that one. But as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.